Here's how to speed up your Windows computer. So first, go ahead and open the run command on your computer. Type in %temp% and hit enter on your keyboard. Select Ctrl+A on your keyboard and right-click on it and select delete. Check this box of do this for all current items, tap and skip, and this will delete all the temporary files on your computer. Again, open the run command. Now type in temp and hit enter. Do the same like you did in the previous step. And then type in prefetch in the temp. Hit enter in your keyboard. Give administrative privileges if necessary. Then tap and hold on to all these files and then delete it. You can also manage your system services. Search for system configuration and open it. Give administrative privileges. Give administrative privileges. Go to the Services tab. Then check the box of Hide all Microsoft services. And then uncheck any unnecessary services and click on Apply and then click on OK. Restart your computer for these changes to take effect on your PC, and your PC should now be faster. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.